welcome to your Denver Metro Real Estate Update. I'm Eve Evans with the Servant Corporation, your licensed Colorado real estate consultant. Today is August 24th, 2020. According to RE Colorado, listings are up from last week to 1,338. Closings are up again this past week to 2,240. Our median sales price for the month of August is steady at $443,000. And our days on market for August is also steady at 39 days. As a reminder, July inventory is just under 2 months according to the Colorado Association of Realtors. And appreciation is at 6.55%. Are you considering purchasing a larger home? Imagine a home that cost around $450,000 today. Applying that 6.55% appreciation, that home could cost nearly an extra $30,000 a year from now. That means an extra $124 more each month and nearly $1,500 each year with the same low interest rate around 3%. If rates return to 4%, that could mean nearly $400 more each month and could cost you over $4,700 each year. Remember, these aren't one-time costs. That's every month and every year of the loan. That could be over $23,000 over the first 5 years. Don't wait to move. Even if you're not sure if you can make the move, wouldn't you rather know for sure versus operating out of misinformation or misunderstanding? Remember, I offer complimentary consultations which offer you detailed information that will help you understand what you can make on the sale of your current home, what you can afford on the next, all with no obligation. That's it for this week. Eve Evans with the Servant Corporation, your licensed Colorado real estate consultant. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like, comment, and share. Make it a fantastic week.